Thanks, mister.
Okay, thank you, Oscar. Y ahorita no la puedo buscar, Caleb. Ahorita no la puedo buscar porque estoy en clase.
What thanks, mister?
Okay, go to page 89, kids. Page 89. Okay, that was the last exercise that we did last time, right? Do you remember it?
Yes. Mi clase terminó rapidito.
Okay, so in that exercise, right, which is the last one that we discussed, okay, we were dividing, right, 7 rows which
Mister,
have
what is the page?
5 students. Page 89, my goodness, I said it already.
Page
Use that one, eh? Yes.
89.
Okay, so now in page 89, we have the exercise, right? Exercise number 4. It says there, in second grade classroom, okay, the desk of the students are organized into 7 rows. Each row has 5 students. How many desks are there altogether? So they are giving us 5 and they are giving us 7. We need to multiply them, right? 5 times 7, how much is that in total?
5 times 7. 5. 39. 35.
35, right? In total, there are 35 chairs. So now the questions that are in that exercise are, how many rows of desks are there in the classroom? How many rows? How many rows? You can give me the answer. Reading the problem, how many rows there are? Problem number 4, okay? Problem number 4. Read the problem in number 4 and tell me the answer. How many rows?
5.
How many rows?
How many rows?
Read the problem, please, kids. Read the problem.
5.
Read the problem, oh my goodness.
What problem, mister?
Problem number 4, oh my gosh, we are in page 89,
Okay.
problem number 4.
Okay. Read the
My
problem.
goodness.
In the second grade classroom,
Listen. I said read the problem and give me the answer. I need the answer. I don't need you to read the problem aloud. Read it quietly and give me the answer. How many rows? How many rows? I need to know how many rows. If you read the problem alone, you're gonna know the answer. And 7 rows. Yo no sé quién dice 5 y 5 y 5. Okay. Si usted lee, mira, ahí está. 7 rows. 5 students. Hay que leer, tenemos que leer. No podemos dar respuestas al azar. A mí, yo tengo paciencia, pero a mí me gusta que usted, uno cuando da una respuesta tiene que leer primero. Recuerden que la respuesta no es adivinando, no es al Tim Marín de 2 pingües. We need to read to know the answers. Mire, si usted solo escribía directamente, what it says there? 7 rows. Ahí está clarito está, mire. 7 rows. Pero no leen. 5 students. In the next question says, how many desks are in each row?
There in the class are 7.
Okay, so the first answer, escuche bien, la primera respuesta de how many desks, usted va a decir 7. Okay, how many desks or how many students are in each row? There are 5 students, 5 students desks. Se sientan 5 niños en cada fila. All right, and then you multiply 7 times 5, 5.
7 times 5.
Write the answers. There are 35 desks in total.
7 times 5.
That is going to be my 5 desks. There are 35 desks in total. You see what I'm saying?
No, es que acá está abajo.
Yes, it says there, write the answer, okay? A vos tiene miedo, ¿sí, no? Que de vos la presta. A mí no veía bien y me pasa aquí por los pies un rato y se acuesta aquí conmigo.
Yo voy a hacer más grande.
Yo le doy comida. Vaya. Okay, did you finish?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I finished.
Good. Good. Good that you finished that page. Okay, so now we can move on to the last page, to the next page, which is page 90, right? Page 90. Page 90, right? So now, what can you see in page 90? What can you see there?
Mr. I am thirsty. Can I drink some water, please?
Yes, yes, you can drink water. What can you see?
8 boxes.
8 boxes, right? Very good. There are 8 boxes. And what do we have in each box? ¿Qué hay en cada caja?
40 discs.
In each box.
40
In this box, there are 40 discs. In this box, 40 discs. In this box, 40 discs. In this box, 40 discs. 40 discs.
40 discs. Se me desconectaba en internet.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay. So in each box, there are 40 discs, right?
40 discs.
Yes, very good. Good. Okay, so do you know what is a disc, right? Do you know what is a disc?
Is to put videos. Is when you want to look a movie. A movie, yes, a movie. You take a CD with the movie.
Yes.
CD and insert it to the VCD. I don't know.
Yes. Okay. A disc. Okay. It is. I'm gonna show you this right now. This is a disc. Look at this. Can you see it like this?
I know.
This is a disc. Okay. This is a disc. I have 2 discs. You see? In each box, there are 40 discs, right? Now, in the past, okay, ahora usted escucha música en el teléfono, right? You listen to music in the cell phone, right? But in the past, you listen to music in this. Can you see it?
Yes.
You're gonna see it. You're gonna see it. It says there, open, right? You're gonna see it. Inside, here inside, you put the discs, okay? I'm gonna do it right now.
Oh.
And then, okay, you put this, and obviously, right, you need to put the head. Wait a minute, I'm gonna look for my head. They are a mess, but it's okay. Wait a minute.
Audio phones.
Okay, these are, okay, you can call them, okay, listen careful. You can call them headphones. What are these?
Headphones.
Headphones. Headphones. Like this, look. Headphones. Head because you put it in your head, right? Headphones. Headphones, right? And I'm gonna look. And then you put the music. And you listen to music like You put it and you listen to music. And here it appears this song and you play it, but this one doesn't have batteries. That's why it is not on, because I don't have batteries. And I don't use it anymore, right? Like now I listen to music in my cell phone, right? I use Spotify.
I
Listen to
I
music in my
use
cell.
equal in my phone.
Yeah, but in the past, the phones didn't work to listen to music. En el pasado los celulares solo servían para llamar, ¿ok? Solo para llamar, no tenían juegos, ni colores, ni pantalla, nada. Solo eran para jugar, ¿ok? Did you know that?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so in the past, the cell phones were to play. Okay, the cell phones were not to play. Okay, the cell phones were you're gonna see. I'm gonna show you. Wait a minute. Okay, look, the cell phones were like this. Look, can you see how were the cell phones in the past?
Yes.
They were just two calls,
Yes.
right?
I like the second.
And then they created new cell phones. They put games in the cell phones. Then they put a bigger screen. They were like these, you know, like these were the cell phones in the past. Okay, you didn't have these cell phones with touch screen, and you can put music here. Like I just put a Spotify, and then I listen to music, right? I open the application and I go to here, and you see I have playlists. I can download the music.
You have 100 of music.
Yes, you can have thousands of songs.
Mister, what is this phone?
This is my phone. Oh, this one, I like this.
I have a phone. It's my phone. I have it.
Do you know this song?
Mister, what is this? I don't know. Mister.
Do you know this song?
No. Yes, Mister. Yes.
Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe. Okay. Good. I'll show you. So in this one, okay, in each box there were 40 discs, right? These are discs, okay? Wait a minute, I'm just gonna put away my
phone is 6.
Oh, what did you say? Okay, so now look at this. We're gonna read the problem to know what it says there. A company making video cameras will donate recordable discs to a television study. They were packed in boxes of 40 discs each. If 8 boxes were filled, how many discs will be donated in all? Right. So now look at this. Go to the next page. Okay, go to this page, this one, to exercise number 4. Okay, to page 91. Go to page 91. Okay, so what do they want to know? What do they want to know? They want to know what?
Want to know, Lisa.
What do they want to know? ¿Qué quieren saber ellos? They want to know how many discs there are.
There are in total.
are in total, right? But I don't have, you can write it in the same line, right? But I don't have
Me
much
a fish.
are in total, right?
Me a fish.
That is the question, right?
How
How
many there
many
are in
discs there are in total, right? How many discs there are in total? I'm gonna write it again. I'm gonna write it beautifully. Wait a minute.
I remember. I finished.
How many discs there are
Mr. Copy.
total,
How
right? You see what I'm saying?
many?
How many discs there are in total? They want to know how many discs we have in total, right? Very good.
There are. I finished, mister. I
Oh
finished,
my God, ¿a quién le está
mister.
cayendo la casa ahí? Que apague el micrófono.
Finished, mister.
Vamos a apagar el micrófono, que le están cayendo los trastes, vamos. Que mucho ruido. Eso.
Mister,
Hello.
how many discs you have?
Ah, you finished. Good. Okay, did you copy the question? Did everyone copy the question? Monica, did you copy the question?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Very good.
Yes.
The question, Sofía Licona, did you copy the
Yes. I
question?
finished. Yes, mister.
Sofía Licona.
Yes, mister.
Sofía Licona, did you copy the question?
Mister.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, good.
mister.
Okay, Naim, did you copy the question?
Yes.
Good, Naim. Herman, did you copy the question, Herman?
Yes, mister.
Okay, very good. Okay, I hope everybody copied the question, right? Good. So now, okay, Carla, did you copy the question? Yes, right? Liam, did you copy the question?
Yes.
Okay, good. Emily, did you copy the question? Yes, good. Okay, so now listen carefully. Listen carefully now. We're gonna do now the number 5. What do you think we need to do to know how many discs there are in total? What do you think we need to do? Do we need to add or do we need to multiply?
Add to multiply.
We're gonna multiply, right? So in number 5, in the first point, you're gonna write there multiplication, right? Because we need to multiply, right? We need a multiplication. We need a multiplication. What numbers are we gonna multiply, right? Okay, this is number 5, right? Number 5. Okay, what numbers? What numbers? Yes. What numbers are we gonna multiply, right? Well, we're gonna multiply. How many boxes there are? How many boxes? Who remembers? How many boxes there are?
4.
4 boxes. Look, how many boxes there are? Count the
8.
boxes.
8.
8 boxes.
8.
And how many discs are in each box? ¿Y cuántos discos? Yes. 40, right?
40.
There are 40 discs in each box, right? There are 40 discs in each box. Now let's multiply then. 8 times 0.
8. 0.
0. 8 times 0, 0. Remember, always the multiply times 0 is 0, right? No importa el número que sea. Si usted lo multiplica por 0, es 0. Always, okay? Siempre. 320 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0. 10 times 0, 0. 100 times 0, 0. Okay? Now, let's see the next one. 8 times 4. Or 4 times 8?
32.
32. Can I write the two numbers?
No.
Yes. I can write it because there are no more numbers to multiply, right? Ya no hace falta multiplicar otro número, entonces ahora sí lo puedo. And how many discs are in total?
320.
320, right? 320.
320.
You write the answer there, right? It says there answer. You write the answer there where it says answer. Which is the answer? 320.
320. Solve the problem.
Okay, we finished the problem, right? Did everybody finish?
Yes.
Good then. Okay, very good. Let me see. We're gonna move on to the next one then. Okay, let me see.
In the last exercise.
We're gonna do it now. Don't worry. We're gonna do it now. Okay, now in number 6, we have to exercise, okay? In number 6, okay, we have 2 exercises, right? We need to read them to know what do we need to do.
And say practice. Okay.
Okay, where it says practice, what numbers do we have in the first exercise? ¿Qué números pueden ver a simple vista? What numbers can you see?
55 and 55.
55 and
5.
55 and 5. Now in the second exercise, what can you see in the second exercise? What numbers?
And what number are 6.
Okay, in this one, look. What numbers are there? What numbers can you see?
56.
Okay. 56. What other numbers?
6. 6.
And 6, right? Let's see. We're gonna multiply it, then we're gonna read them, and I'm gonna explain them. Okay. So, but first, do this multiplication. Do it alone. Do it alone. Do it first. Okay. Exercise number 6. Doing the multiplications, solving the multiplications.
Okay, mister.
Good. Vamos, multiplying, right? Everybody multiplying. Nia, multiplying, right? Multiplying, Nia, multiplying. Solving the multiplications. Emily, multiplying, right? Finish the first one. Finish the first one. Vamos a ver quién terminó la primera. Who finished the first one?
Leandro.
Carlos Mario, did you finish the multiplications?
Yes, I finished.
Carlos Mario?
I finished, mister.
Good. I don't know what's happening with this keyboard. Carlos Mario, open your book. You need to work. Page 91.
I finished, mister.
Page 91, okay? 91. Book, Carlos Mario. Book.
I finished, mister.
Okay, good. Let me see. We're gonna do it together then. We're gonna solve it.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. 5 times 5,
25.
25. Can I write it to numbers?
No.
No, right? Because I need to multiply another number. So I put it up. The next one, 5 times 5.
25.
5 plus 2.
27.
27, right? Good. We finished. Now this one. 6 times 6.
36. 36.
Can I write the two numbers?
No.
No, right? Because I need to multiply more numbers. 6 times 5.
39. 39.
6 times 5. 30, right? 30. 30 plus 3.
31. No. 39.
30 plus 3.
33.
33. Can I write the two numbers?
Yes.
Right, because there are no more numbers, right? Because there are no more numbers to multiply. And I feel. Now we're gonna read the problems that are there and we're gonna discuss the answers. Can you please read the first exercise? Let me listen to you. Let me see. Marín de dos pingüe. Okay, let's see. Well, en orden de lista. Let me see. Tim Marín de dos pingüe. Tocar matar a Titiri fue. Camila García. Camila Garcia, read the first problem, Camila. This one. Look, this one. Read this one.
In the screening of a movie,
Mm-hmm.
55 people entered the room during the day. 5 movies are shown.
Mm-hmm.
How many people watch the movie per day?
Okay, very good. So 55 people enter one room in the cinema and they put 5 movies in the day. We multiply 55 people in 5 movies. How many people in total? How many people?
175.
But how do you read this?
275.
Good. 275 people watch it every day, right? Okay, Andrea Alonso, read the second problem, please. Read the second problem.
The book collector give away 66 books to 6 different schools. How many books did he away altogether?
So a person that likes books, like the Mr. Gálvez, right? That he likes books. He's giving the books to different schools, right? To 6 different schools. And we want to know how many books he will give to all the schools together, okay? So we multiply, right? 55, 6 books that he gave to each school, to 6 schools. How many books he gave in total? ¿Cuántos libros regaló él en total?
136.
To the 6 schools.
How many? 336.
336 books, right? He gave away 336 books in all, right? Very good. We finished them. We finished this page, okay? We finished page 91. So we're gonna move on to page 92.
92.
Everybody has to go to page 92 and you have to do it alone. Start working alone in page 92. Page 92. Working alone in page 92. It's very easy. The exercise is in page 92, right? Page 92, working alone. Can you see the exercises that are there? Very easy, right?
I finished, Mr.
Did you finish all the page already?
Oh. No, Mister.
Work then, work. You have to finish number 1 and number 2 alone.
I finished.
Finish number 1 and number 2. Exercise number 1 y exercise number 2.
I finished, Mister.
Oh, very good then. I'm gonna stop the video. Wait a minute, I'm just gonna make stop the video because I'm gonna make a screen capture of the people that is connected. Okay, because
Mister, me are participate. Ella no cierra.
yes, you're participating. Good. Okay, I made a screen capture. Page 92, right? Now I don't have to use little pages. I have this one, like it's like a board. Do you remember that before I used this one, right? My nephew was drawing. Mi sobrino was drawing. My nephew. How do you say sobrino? Nephew.
That I finished the number 2. I can draw
Very good.
I finished, Mister. The number 2.
Let's see, number 1. We're gonna do number 1 to see if you did it correct. Okay. Let's see. What multiplications do we have there in number 1?
3 times 6. 26 times 3.
26 times 3. And the other one?
45 times 2. 45 times 2.
Okay, very good. Let's do the first one then. 3 times 6.
18.
Can I write the two numbers?
No, because we have to multiply another.
We need to multiply another number. Good. 3 times 2.
28. 28.
3 times 2.
6. 7.
6 plus 1.
7.
What is the answer?
78. 78. 7.
78. Now the second one. 2 times 5.
10. 1.
Can I write the two numbers?
No! Because we have to multiply another numbers.
Yes. 2 times 4.
8. 1.
Plus 1.
9.
What is the answer?
90.
90. And I finished. Did you do it like this? Did you do it like this? Está bien eso. Very good then. Okay. pero que sí las hayan hecho antes, right? But you can write the numbers in letters in the lower part. Okay?
No, yo no quiero.
Abajito le escriben letras también. You need to write it in letters. Write it in words. Write the numbers in words.
I finished, mister.
Okay, very good. You are smart kids.
I finished.
Jerome, did you finish? Jerome?
There.
Jerome, are you in class or not in class? Hi, Jerome.
Mister.
Working, right, Jerome? Did you finish the first exercise, Jerome? We are working in page 92, right? Are you in page 92? Show me your book.
Mamá.
Okay, let me see. Put it closer. Póngalo más cerca para verlo bien. Closer. Put it closer. Let me see. And the answers? What you're not working? My goodness, you have to be working. Ay, ay, ay.
Look at mister. Ariana Tierra.
Tienen que trabajar, no tienen que conectarse a hacer nada. You have to connect to work, okay? To work.
Look at mister.
Very good. Yes, very good. Okay, good.
Mister, finish.
Good, very good.
Finish.
Okay, the next one. The next one says, what it says in number 2? What it says there?
Look. What is the mister? Complete. 3 times 6. 6 times 3. 18.
Okay, and they wrote it like this, right? 6 times 3, 18, right?
18.
You can write 3 times 6, 3 and 6, or 6 and 3. It's the same, right? Remember, commutative property, right? The order doesn't matter, right? The next one, what it says the next one?
2 times 4. 2 times 4, 8.
Good.
2 times
And you write it, right?
4, 8.
And you can write it there. 2 times 4, 8. Very good.